This is Signal Hounds, talking RF, and today we're introducing Spike's new advanced RF mapping, now with grid testing and simultaneous measurements. Let's dig in how to license the software, locate and copy your license key, and activate it in Spike, so you can start mapping faster and more accurately.
Hello and welcome to Talking RF. Sean here, and today I'll walk you through enabling our advanced RF mapping feature in Spike, which includes grid testing and simultaneous measurements. I'll show you how to purchase a license, find a copy of your license key, and activate it in Spike so you can start mapping faster and more accurately. Let's get started.
To use the advanced RF mapping feature like grid testing, you'll need to purchase an annual or perpetual license on the Signal Hound website. You can access the mapping page by following the link below. After completing the purchase, find your license key under My Account, Licenses. Select the license you bought. Copy the license key, then open Spike and go to Utilities, License Manager. Click Add License, paste the key from your clipboard, and add it to your local account. Once activated, you can enable grid testing and other advanced features, such as taking multiple measurements simultaneously at each mapped location.
In this video, we walk through how to download and activate the software license for advanced RF mapping functionality in Signal Hound Spike. The enhanced features in this software ensures users have access to critical data related to coverage strength, interference, channel occupancy, and spectrum availability. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below or contact us at support@signalhound.com. Like, follow, and subscribe for more Signal Hound and RF content.